Eto na mga idol, marami na naman tayong pag-uusapan sa video natin ngayon ha. Well, unahin nga natin etong ika-4 na talo ng rain or shine sa Williams-Jones Cup doon sa Taiwan. Tinalo sila kanina ng bansang Qatar sa score na 93-86. Ang masakla pa dito mga idol ay natalo nga kayo at may nasakal pa sa inyo. Naging pisikalan nga ang laban kanina ng Qatar at ng rain or shine. Makaharap naman nila bukas mga idol ha. Etong bansang Iran, 3 PM yan. Tila ba kinain yata ni Coach Yeng Giao ang sinabi niya noon dito sa Talk and Text at San Miguel Beerman sa EASL. Matapos nitong sabihin noon na madalakas lang daw sila pag sa PBA. Pero pagdating sa International League ay ang hihina daw ng mga ito. Kahit dalawa na ang import ni Coach Yeng Giao ay hindi pa rin sila nakakuha ng panalo sa laban nila dito sa Jones Cup. So far, meron silang 0-4 sa standing. Dito naman tayo sa ating Gilas Pilipinas mga idol ha. Binigyan na nga ng clearance mula sa doktor ang 7'3" giant Kai Sotto upang maglaro para sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Yes mga idol, ito'y ayon mismo sa press conference ni SBP President Al Panlilio. Pero inamin nito na kailangan pa rin ni Kai Sotto na habulin ang mga araw na hindi ito nakapag-practice ng maayos. Medyo matagal-tagal kasing naantala si Kai Sotto dahil sa kanyang lower back injury. Kung matatandaan ay July 19 ito nakalapag sa bansa at malapit ng mag-isang buwan itong hindi nakapag-practice ng maayos. Though may mga araw na nag-practice si Kai Sotto pero hindi pa rin yun 100% practice talaga. Inamin nga ni Al Panlilio na walang isinumiting MRI result ang kampo ni Kai Sotto pero binigyan siya ng kanyang doktor ng clearance. Inamin nga ni Al Panlilio na walang isinumiting MRI result ang kampo ni Kai Sotto pero binigyan siya ng kanyang doktor ng clearance. Gayon din ang doktor ng SBP.
So we also hear that he's been playing already like full contact basketball. So how is he and what's the situation? Is there still a situation with his medical issues, or is he all good to go na po?
Thanks, Dayan. Should I answer that? No, I think yes. I was there the other night, as I said. Everybody was there. Kai was there. Scotty was there. JC was there. So the whole 16, I think 16 players were all there. So. And I think I think Scotty is fit. No, I guess it's just a matter of getting back to the groove of playing basketball. But he did play that night. Kai also played, and just to really share, our doctors spoke yesterday. The doctors of Kai and the SPP doctors, and he's been cleared to play. So. That's good news, right? So he's been cleared to play, and again, we're looking forward that we see him play also during the friendlies, so that to get ready for for everybody to get ready for the game start on the 25th.
Samantala, nag-alboroto ngayon sa galit ang mga Gilas fans, particular na ang mga Renz Abando fans, matapos ihayag ni Sir Dean Quinito Henson na wala sa kanyang final lineup si Renz Abando at pinili nga niya si Kiefer Ravena over Renz Abando. Maraming nagsasabi na deserve ni Abando ang slot para sa Final 12 kaysa kay Kiefer Ravena. Hindi umano nag-iisip etong si Henson. Magkaiba ng position si Kiefer at si Abando.
I'm choosing Kiefer Ravena over Renz Abando and then Scotty Thompson. Kiefer because of his experience. I think
right.
There was
playing with the national team, no?
Yeah, and there was so much criticism about Kiefer na masyado nagtatagal yung bola sa kanyang mga kamay. He doesn't distribute right away. But I think Kiefer has learned because of his experience playing in the international scene. And I saw that in the European campaign and in the China series, Kiefer Ravena played super. I mean, he's a stabilizer. He hit some big three-point shots when we needed. He's a clutch player. And he's not afraid to take the big shots. So I think Kiefer Ravena deserves a spot in the final 12.
Pero eto mga idol naglabas din ng kanyang final 12 si Sir Snow Badua para sa FIBA World Cup at kabilang nga rin dito si Renz Abando. Narito ang kanyang final 12.
So, ang out ko dyan, 30, Bobby Ray, Kiefer, and Pugoy. Doon naman sa point guard spot, kung ako ho ang masusunod, sana isisingit ko rin dyan sina RJ at saka sina SJ Belangel. So, yun po mga kaibigan, yung aking final 12. So, ulitin ko lang, ang final 12 ko from the official roster na hawak nito po si Coach Chot Reyes will be, pakita natin na idol, sina Kai Soto and AJ Edu, Junmar Fajardo and Japet Aguilar, Calvin Aftana and Jamie Malonzo, Jordan Clarkson and Renza Bando, Dwight Ramos and Scotty Thompson. Alright, and then Chris Newsome and CJ Perez for the reserves natin. Ang mga wala po sana dyan sa wishlist ko, no? Sina SJ Belangel, si RJ Abarrientos, Robert Bolick, Matthew Wright, no? We need shooters. And then Jordan Heading, we need shooters. Justin Bartasar and Carl Tamayo, we need the youthfulness, no, and preparation for future FIBA tournaments, no? Mga shooters din ho kasi itong dalawa na ito. So, yan po mga kaibigan, yung akin pong final 12 at saan ko po ito ibinase? Ibinase ko po ito doon sa mga magiging pangangailangan natin, especially that we're going to face Angola and Dominican Republic and Italy doon po sa first round. So, as much as possible, we will need both height, experience, no, and shooting outside, no. Ito kasing FIBA, hindi ho ito parang PBA na poposte ka, popwesto ka, poporma ka, mag-isolation ka. Hindi ho effective yan, especially that napakarami yung mga makakalaban natin, particularly lumaro and have been exposed sa European brand of basketball. Alam mo, Boss Dodo, isa lang idadagdag ko dito ha. Since andito tayo sa Pilipinas, I suggest sa coaching staff natin, why not invite some of the best players from the PBA to join them in the pool and in practices? Diba? To simulate yung laro ng mga makakalaban natin. We can invite Gabe Norwood, no, we can invite Maverick Ahanmisi, mabilis ito. Diba? We can invite some other young players na po pwede na rin pong maging audition o tryout for future competitions natin. Di ba? Ibangga mo ng ibangga doon sa mga nasa final 12 mo. Di ba? At nang sa gayon, masimulate po natin ang husto yung magiging laro ng mga makakalaban po natin. Yes, so yan po ang aking final 12 po. Pwede ho kayong mag-agree, pwede ho kayong mag-disagree, no? Akin lang pong ibinibigay yan based on limited number of people na hawak natin sa listahan ng final 16 natin and based on nakita ko from the previous stints ng Gilas Pilipinas natin at based na rin po sa kagustuhan ko sanang ma-prepare na natin yung future po ng Gilas. Because as we all know, suntok sa buwan naman po talaga yung laban natin sa FIBA World Cup eh. Hindi po tayo magcha-champion dito. 'Di ba? Gusto ko lamang ho is for the FIBA Asia next year, for the Asian Games, and other tournaments, particularly yung SEA Games, hindi na ho pocho-pocho ang laban dyan, dapat po nakahanda na yung programa natin for that. And the best way, no, for our players to be exposed is this coming World Cup. Yun lamang po.